Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I greet all of you in the name of the Almighty God. When a man appoints his son, the head of the country's military, appoints his brother in charge of wealth distribution, appoints his son-in-law in charge of the country's export, and above all appoints his wife, his sick wife, Minister for Education, you do not need a PhD holder in history to tell you that you have been turned into slaves. That's what happens. You are no longer citizens. You no longer have a relationship with citizens and their leaders. You are slaves. That's how his family looks at all of us. Slaves can be tortured for the pleasure of their masters. Their screams and agony and pain becomes music and entertainment to the masters. That's what videos and images of Dr. Kizza Besigye collapsing in the courts of law, fighting for his legal right constitution for representation means to me. This Besigye provided medical care to Mr. Museveni when he was executing a liberation war in the Rural jungles 1981-1986, and he continued providing that care even when they took power. Besigye's immediate human need when he collapsed was medical response, and there were people in that court providing. My party, the People's Front for Freedom, is blessed to have two of its deputy presidents as medical doctors, Dr. Nicholas Kamara, Dr. Lulumi Baiga. But there was also a third doctor, Dr. Olive Kousinyi, Dr. Kizza Besigye's sister. All the three wanted to respond, but they were stopped. And Dr. Besigye was left in the hands of medical warders, left in the hands of prison warders, whose skills is in carrying and shooting guns. And I watched in disbelief as they ordered